So I'm just going to town. This is another episode really, so let's get to town. Let's shop without mask to see, you know, if we can actually do it, whether if it feels weird or not. So stay with me, let's go have fun, let's go vlog, okay? And at the moment I'm just driving somewhere, yeah, in Bristol. All right, see. And I don't know where you're watching from, but if you still wear mask, please do let me know where you're watching this content from. Yeah, so that next time, you know, I can give you a shout out. You know, I'm in town now. In front of me there, that's Cardboard Circles. Next to Cardboard is ZARA Superstore. So I'm just going to go in there to see if I could find something. But first, before I go to ZARA, I need to get the present first before I can focus on that. And also I can't film in Cardboard Circus, so I'm going to turn the camera off and I'll probably talk to you guys when I'm out of the Cardboard Circus. But let me just turn the camera a little bit to show you where Cardboard Circus is. There's Cardboard Circus.
Yeah, from the Queen's Place. You got YouTube channel?
Yeah, I've got a YouTube channel. So guys, so I just met people from Volta Region. We're speaking now where? Me don't like UK government. I got so Max,
followers.
So you just have to be confident. If you watch my vlogs, you probably build a lot of confidence.
Follow him.
So what I'll do is I will follow you, I'll subscribe to your channel, and I'll probably give you some tips. I actually posted a video yesterday, so if you watch the video, you know, you just have to walk. When you're talking to the camera, make sure you focus on the camera. When people want to talk to you, just continue talking to them, but make sure the camera
is on you.
It's on you. Now once you finish talking to them, let your audience know that you just got distracted, but focus on them. Don't get distracted about what you were doing before, because they could skip the video because you're not talking to them anymore. So it's very, very important. Always make sure you're talking to them. Don't be shy, because just hold the camera like you're talking to your family. It's like, you know how you talk to your friends on FaceTime. Just hold it like that. Don't be shy. You can still use the camera. You can still use this one. You can still use the big one. It's still the same thing. Ghana Fanchi. This one, let me show you.
Tell your people you are coming. Is it still rolling? Tell them.
Oh, don't worry about it.
Okay.
I will edit the video.
Okay.
No, they edit it. Yes.
Which one is it?
So it's called Ghana
FanTube.
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 Oh, okay.
Like having fun.
Can you put it on mine and I can look for it?
Ghana
No
FanTube.
problem. Mama, please, can you hold it?
Don't you know how to spell? FanTube.
My parents sent to school, but I didn't work hard before.
Okay.
Hi, Mark.
Okay. How do you deny the call?
No, don't.
Auntie Grace.
You're trying to speak the greatest.
Okay.
Angel.
Angel. Mom is calling you. Your mom is calling you. You don't have to go on the YouTube. You don't want to be...
So you can see the families are subscribing to my channel. This is really nice. Meeting people from Volta Region, we speak in our So what I'm saying is, I'm so happy. So
we are laughing from ear to ear. Come to our half of the doorway.
Ow. Yeah, you're good. Alright. So I hope you guys have a nice day.
I mean, Bristol.
Actually, West Midlands.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I can be Lafia.
Aztec was lots of COVID.
Oh, okay.
Right, so
okay, it's nice meeting you.
Number, so that,
Are you from Here, Bristol, or with?
Yeah, I live here, but you know, this is where I live. I live in Portside. Yeah.
But you travel doing you're vlogging all over UK.
So
No,
I do travel. It's like I have if you look on my channel, I have London, I have Monaco, I have a lot of content.
okay.
Yeah. So you can probably chill out one weekend.
So how
just
many
put on there.
people? How many people follow you?
I think I have 1,170 right now.
Okay.
So
Yeah.
you're monetizing now with YouTube?
Yeah, I have just about watch time. Hopefully by the end of the year, I'll be monetized. Yeah.
Me, what you are talking about? I haven't got.
Monetizing is when YouTube pay you already.
Almost sure.
Yeah.
Every month.
You need to have 4,000.
Oh.
I can move video advert more now.
Yeah.
Yeah. Revenue.
Come calling now.
I wish you more. I don't want to call Garo.
Actually, Mensa is easiest Ghanaian name because
everybody knows. Everybody got Mrs. anniversary Sunday.
Oh, okay.
About Jesus secret friend.
Oh, okay. That's good.
That's good.
This Sunday coming.
This coming, yeah. 6 years.
Next week, that's when
So if you want to vlog, why don't you do like a family vlog, you know?
Start with family.
Yeah, start with family. Like when you guys are going on holiday.
They don't want to be in
No,
YouTube.
they just have to try from home, you know. It's very, very easy, you know. When I started,
my
I was
husband
scared,
doesn't
you know,
want.
like I used my phone, I was scared, like
Yeah.
shivering. But now, even if you pull me, if you watch my other vlog, I vlog on the Oxford Street. It was busy, it was round, but everybody was talking. It's just fun. I was having fun. You know, at the moment they don't like it, but when they start enjoying it, you won't even get them in the house. They'll be traveling, they'll get
When
jobs.
they start seeing the money.
They'll start seeing the money. They'll start. They'll get jobs. People call them free gifts. You won't see them in the house.
Yeah, that's the thing.
Yeah. So you just have to start the family one, probably once a month. You know, when you guys going to Ghana, just to document it. You don't have to put them in.
I'll do it myself.
Yeah, you can do it. So all you have to do is like, for example,
but you are doing
so
worse than that.
we are leaving the house. We're going to the airport. You don't have to do. You can do only 1 minute. And when you get to the airport, you do another minute. Then by the time you get home, you put it together. You made a vlog. Yeah, it's easy as that.
I'm more confident now that I'm doing the live. So I'm really ready for the YouTube.
Yeah, definitely. You should start because you don't have to waste time because by the time you are fully confident, by then you have 2,000, 5,000. Now that's where the money start coming. So yeah, so don't give up. Start it now. So at the moment I'm just in ZARA now. I'm just going to browse to see what ZARA got. Hopefully I'll find something. Yeah. I'm actually looking for t-shirt or nice t-shirt, probably purple or mustard. So that's what I'm looking for. Yeah. So let's browse to see what ZARA got to offer. Nice t-shirt. don't think they have anything for me today, so I'll just browse and then probably go to the next shop. Yeah, so that was a quick one. They didn't have anything, so I'm just going to have an eat to see if I could grab myself a coffee before the journey finished. Right. So I'm just walking to have an eat. I'm going to get some aftershave. Then once I get the aftershave, I'll just head to the car park. Make sure I get home early before my shift. You know, you still have to work even though you vlog. You just can't rely on vlogging or YouTube income. You have to work. Yeah. So at the moment, I have the full shift today. Then probably I have the whole week off next week. So I'm just here now, in front of having it. You can see the shop. I'm going to the shop right now. Unfortunately, I can't vlog in here, so I'm going to end filming, then probably get into the shop. All right. So there is having it. All right. So let's get in. So I'm just having a nice coffee in having it. So if you're in town, why don't you pop in here and grab yourself a nice coffee? Yeah, so I'm just going to finish this and then probably wrap up and then probably finish my day. So this is Yasmin from having it. So if you're here, Yasmin will take good care of you. Their customer service is just amazing, you know. You can't beat them. Yeah. So yeah, I'm just heading back to the car park. Hopefully I can get to the car park before my time run out. Yeah, so this is what is this place called? I forgot. It's not Broadmead. It's Quarters Farias. Yeah, so you can see the name there, Quarters Farias. That's where I am. Yeah, we're all good to go. Yeah, so I'm just going to wrap up the vlog right now. I'm going to wrap up in this beautiful place. It's pretty amazing. It's just like the thing about Bristol, you know, so iconic, I think. Yeah, so guys, that's the end of the vlog. So please do subscribe if you haven't subscribed. And also turn the notification button on, like the video, comment. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. That's from us today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe though. Thank you.
Yeah.
Stormzy, I see you, man. See you.